over to my neighbour's house to show you my neighbour's garden. Cucumber, no tomato.
Yeah, but like I have here like last year. I showed you last year.
Yeah.
That's tomato. You see the this all. It's all this tomato there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after coming that much, and I put it
Yeah.
that for a while 1 foot. Say that much.
That's your lettuce there.
Yeah,
That's Vietnamese lettuce.
Yeah, yeah. And this one, the long one.
Yeah.
Here the long.
And this is Bobby's little veggie patch with his Vietnamese lettuce, Serbian,
Yeah.
and you have Vietnamese lettuce that's growing better than Vietnamese people in your back garden.
Yeah. And this tomato.
Oh, this is
This
unreal.
tomato come in 5 meters.
The tomato, oh yes, yes, because you've got the tomato tree and then you've got your support
Yeah.
so that you can grow along these
Yeah.
lines. or
One
these.
tomato, 1 kilo.
1 tomato, 1 kilo.
Yeah. This
You
one.
have to,
see?
I don't believe you, Bobby. You need to
Yeah, I
show me
know.
when it comes up. Hydrangea, which I've managed to kill every single one that I've been given. Mine is not budding like this at all. So Bobby's doing something right with his. I wonder if it's his positioning.
Early tomato after this one, and after 1 month, 2 months coming the other one. This one I have all spring and winter, and still you see now coming spring and summer I still have salad.
So spring, summer and winter.
4 seasons. 4 seasons.
4 seasons Bobby's Vietnamese lettuce
Hey, look at this.
is
Look.
growing. And he's been giving us a whole heap of Vietnamese. Why do I need to grow it if you're growing it, Bobby? His fingers in it.
Yeah, put one this one, chuk, finger, chuk.
So he puts his seedlings things like that and then they grow like this.
Yeah.
This
Look.
is
Look at this. That's one.
Yes.
Look.
The excellence of growing Vietnamese lettuce from a Serbian gardener. So Bobby puts a lid on his seedlings because
Making hotter.
it makes it warm, it keeps it
Yeah.
warm.
Yeah, 9 times.
Well, there you go, guys. You're getting tips from the expert. I usually leave my seedlings open,
And this one.
which is why then
Yeah, look,
it
look.
would die of frost or die of cold.
You see?
So this is, it looks like the chrysanthemum, and we just
You see,
do
look.
it from seeds.
See, full.
Hey, Hachi.
And this one, California. I think California.
So you actually label them, Bobby.
You see? Look,
So no
this one,
surprises for
1,
Bobby.
2 weeks.
There's
No
no
need-
surprises
no
for
need.
Bobby.
This one, $1 in Audi. But you go in the shop, how many? Couple hundred.
Yeah.
And this one, look.
Oh, wow.
This one, Margonia, huh?
Marigold.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wisteria, and this is the purple variety. And then they've actually got a white variety in their garden. And look at that, guys. It's growing on a trellis. Pretty amazing. So healthy.
No need perfume in it back here, huh?
Yeah, there's perfume in the back garden, Bobby says.
But
So
it
it's like,
smell. You know how much it smell? Smell good. Nice.
So this is from the seed from last year, and this is the wisteria.
The chocolate, no white one.
Purple?
Purple, yeah,
Yeah,
purple,
the
yeah.
purple one.
Yeah.